Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MON token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MON MON is a high performance layer 1 blockchain designed to deliver extreme speed and low cost while maintaining full compatibility with Ethereum's developer ecosystem. Purpose: it aims to solve Ethereum scalability bottleneck, enabling high-frequency DeFi, gaming and consumer apps. Technology: it uses parallel execution and a custom consensus mechanism to target 10,000 transactions per second with sub-second finality. Token role: the native MON token is used for paying network gas fees, staking to secure the chain, and participating in governance. Monet project institution rating is 4.2. MON token total supply is around 100 billion and circulating supply is around 11.82 billion MON token. MON token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, OKX, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.